Here are some 2 EPL KONE mod cone traction lifts at Cosmo Apartments, Milton. Now these are Pixel Tech buttons, they're not Dewhurst. They do look like it, but they're not. But we can go down.
Basement.
It says basement instead of basement names.
Going down.
Have you?
Basement. Going up.
Ground is as high as we go.
Basement.
With lifts that have got British voice, they only say basement. Going up?
Yes.
Going up.
Thank you. Thank you.
To which level?
Ground's fine, thank you.
I'm going there too.
Were those just ridiculous? I couldn't work out if I was going to be cold or not today.
Yep. I got halfway in and went, should have brought a jumper.
Ground floor.
Thanks.
Thank you.
And that's it.